Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Awesome. Can you share with us how everything went with your solar advisor?
Went really good. Rachel was very convincing, telling me that the products that you guys sell were insured and for the life of the property or the equipment that I'd be covered. So that was a good selling point.
Great. And why did you choose to go with Green Home Systems out of all of the other solar companies?
Rachel was very convincing,
Ah,
I would say. She did a good job.
great. Great. And now, question for you. If you had any questions along the way or you were confused about something, was she able to easily explain that to you?
Yeah, I went to Evelyn first, the project manager, and then if she couldn't get it, she went to Rachel. So they worked together well to get me the answers.
Right. Now, I know your project's still at PTO, so we're waiting to see how this amazing outcome is going to be. What are some goals that you have for your panels and some of the reasons why you went solar?
Well, I have two sets. I have one at my house and one at my 7-unit apartment complex. The apartments, I pay for the PG&E and water and garbage, so I wanted to get the cost down on that. And then also with my home. And because the Tier 3 and Tier 2 was coming up and that PG&E was going to make it not as desirable, I felt that I should get that done right away.
Perfect. Amazing. Well, thank you so much for your great feedback today. We definitely appreciate it. And I thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you.